Welcome everyone, thank you for joining me today. Today we're working with our Manipura Chakra, our solar plexus, the energy hub. This is the inner sun in our body. When this chakra is opened, we are confident, we're full of inner fire, this willpower and this beautiful sunny energy and lightness. So let's get into it. First we're gonna tune in with our mantras and then we'll start the daily Kriya. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Atgure Name, Chugatgure Name, Satgure Name, Sri Gurudeve Name. Atgure Name, Chugatgure Name, Satgure Name, Sri Gurudeve Name. Atgure Name, Chugatgure Name, Satgure Name, Sri Gurudeve Name. Breathe in. Invite your higher self to guide you through this Kundalini practice. And breathe out. Very good. And now we're gonna do the spinal flexes. We're breathing in when we go to the front and out when we go to the back. And find the rhythm that is comfortable for you. This is a beautiful warm-up for the spine and for our energy body. So move deeply here and deep breaths. Breathe in. And breathe out, hands down to Gyan Mudra. Very good. Next we're gonna move on. We're gonna put our hands to front of us and our palms are facing outside. And our eyes are looking at the tip of the nose. And deep breaths here. We're coming into that beautiful sunny lightness energy. So just allow this to happen. And now we're gonna take this forward. We're gonna do a breath of fire here. Make this a rhythmic movement. Breathe in. And out, hands down to Gyan Mudra. Just witness these energies. Now we're moving on. We're placing the hands to the sides and our right arm is looking upwards, palm, and left palm is looking downwards. And we're moving up and down, and we're saying the mantra Har, Har, Har. Har. Say this quietly in your mind. Har, 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 har. We're activating this navel area where our Manipura chakra is. We are increasing our energy and vitality. When this chakra is open, you feel more energized, more enthusiastic, and ready to take on challenges. So really give it your best efforts here. These 3 practices, this Kriya is very powerful. And also we are improving digestive health as well. So this Manipura is associated with digestive fire, which is called Agni. And activating it can support healthier digestion, metabolism, and also core strength. So not only is this very good for our physical body, but on the mental body, it's good for our overall self-esteem, boost our confidence, willpower, motivation, and we're reducing stress and emotional blockages as well here. Very good. Now breathe in. And out. Hands down to Gyan Mudra. And just relax here. And if you wish, you can lie down or you can stay in that easy pose. I am strong, confident, and empowered. My inner fire guides me with clarity and purpose. I trust myself and my decisions. I step into my power with courage and ease. I am worthy of success and respect. My energy is vibrant, focused, and unstoppable. I release fear and embrace transformation. I honor my boundaries and I stand in my truth. My willpower grows stronger every day. My Manipura Chakra, my solar plexus, is fully activated, open and balanced. I am ready for the world, as things always work out for me. I am calm, I am powerful, I am safe. All is well. Very good. Thank you so much, and thank yourself for giving this beautiful Kriya, this beautiful opening and balancing to your third chakra here. I hope you enjoyed this. And now let's just tune out with our mantra Satnam, truth is my name. Hands to prayer mudra. Satnam. Thank you so much. Lots of love. Bye.